We're at General Builder Supply Company today in Oklahoma City, and we have so much to see. I've already kind of taken a peek around, and it's just really exciting what you guys do. Brad Courtney's with me, General Manager out here. Give everybody an overview of what goes on here.
What we do is we supply professional home builders with interior trim products such as entry doors, moldings, builder's hardware. We custom make some shutters here. Anything that is interior in your home that is made of wood, we supply. We manufacture some and we distribute some.
How long have you been here?
In this location, I don't know exactly. We've been in business for 50 years.
50 years.
We've been over here for several decades.
So you know what you're doing, basically.
We've done it quite a while.
You've got some beautiful doors, Brad.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about what the choices people have in a door like this.
There are many different sizes in doors. We custom design doors, so there are some doors, such as this one, which is pre-made, and there are dozens of designs and sizes and styles and glass choices. Most of them come in unfinished, so it can be finished to match the existing woodwork or the woodwork that is going to be finished in the home. Or we do a total custom where someone comes in and draws with us on a computer-assisted design computer anything they want.
Really? So I could come in here and drive you crazy, because I would.
You could come in and spend a lot of time trying to get the perfect door.
Now this looks, I mean, this is obviously for a large home, a door like this. What about further back here? Let's walk back and kind of show people the different choices. Now, this is interesting. What is this inside? Is this iron or?
That is a black cane. I don't believe it's iron. It may very well be. I'm not familiar with exactly what materials they're using on those interiors. That's an insulated glass, so it's sealed up to be energy efficient. And you can get black cane, zinc cane, which is a silver color, brass cane, which is gold.
Just all kinds of choices. And you also supply the door hinges and handles and all of that.
We supply the door hardware. You can either buy the door as a door only or pre-hung. We also do the hardware, the handles, handle sets, hinges, things of that nature in our next room. We have some showrooms.
Let's take a look then.
Okay, be my guest.
I understand you're redecorating your showroom so that you can show everything on one wall. Because styles change so often,
right.
You can move these in and out.
We've got several showrooms here, and each showroom, ultimately, when we are through our redecorating phase, will have, such as this showroom, is for door hardware only.
Okay.
There's a few other things that are knobs and pulls that come on displays, but this will be focused for door hardware.
There's so much to choose from, and I would be in here all day, but I really like this. This is neat.
That's a very popular style right now, the pewter and the old world look. But what we've done here is because tastes change, we can switch these out fairly quickly.
That's neat. So out here we've got the door pulls, and in this next room we have some more pulls. Now, can I safely say you cater to the builders, but the general public can also come in here and shop?
Exactly.
Okay.
We target professional home builders. That's what we have targeted our market group. We do very well with them, but we also have the general public come in and shop. We have a lot of homeowners that come in with their builder to make their hardware selections, their door selections, whatever selections they need to make.
Great. Yeah, and I didn't even realize you've got everything for the bathroom, for the rest of the home. You cover everything, don't you?
We try and do everything on the inside.
There are also some really neat appliques I want to show people. Can we go take a look at those?
Sure. We can step right over here.
Brad, you've got such a great selection. What exactly do people use these for?
People use these to dress up items. It can be a door, a cabinet door, over a mantle.
Like this big one here?
Just to dress up, exactly. Anything to just dress something up.
Those are really pretty. And what is this?
This is a corbel. Sits under a mantle normally, but
beautiful.
Can hold up anything, a shelf.
Okay.
They're hand carved.
That is so beautiful. And you also have, of course, moldings. And
all sorts of moldings.
Lots of them. Let's head over here real quick.
Okay.
Here are some samples of the molding. And tell people where this goes in the house.
We make moldings here that can be used in any application that moldings would around doors, windows, around the top of a room, base of a room. We make all sorts of different styles and species.
And you make it here. You've got quite a shop. I want to show it to people. When we come back, we're going to take you to the shop at General Builder Supply and show you how this is made, so don't go away. Brad, what exactly are these things we're looking at, and what are they used for? What do they have to do with molding?
These are the molder heads that actually turn the raw wood into the molding. They fit on the machine in our molding shop.
Can we go take a look and see it in progress?
Sure.
See it
Let's
working?
go out. It's probably running right now.
Okay, let's go. Brad, there's a lot going on out here. Obviously, we're in a working environment, so I'm going to yell at you, okay?
Okay, that's great.
We start with the raw wood. Explain what happens.
Okay, this wood has already been sized to the rough dimension that our molding will finish at. It's a little oversized. It comes down here, and then it's fed into this machine, which is the molder.
Okay.
It comes to the cutter heads, which are located inside here. Let me just pull her up.
So this is where we see those round things we were looking at a few minutes ago.
Right. This is the inside of the molder that has the cutter heads that we saw in the tool room. There are 5 heads on this machine. It proceeds through each of the cutter heads, and then we come out with a finished product.
How long does something like that take?
30 seconds.
Really? Is that
We can
fast?
adjust the speed depending upon the finished product.
Quick question for you. Are all 5 cutter heads changed for one molding, or maybe it's just one changed out? How does that
Not
work?
always. We change the cutter heads we need to. On certain profiles, we'll only have to change 1 or 2 heads. On other profiles, we'll have to change all 5.
And you can do different sizes. It's not one specific size that you can see through here.
Right. We can go real small dimensions all the way up to 8 plus inches wide.
Okay. And then what happens?
Okay. The wood exits the machine, and then we've got the finished profile. And then what we do is we clean it up and we double check it to make sure that it's smooth and it's a good finished product before it goes out to the builder or the homeowner.
That's a quick process, sort of.
It's pretty quick. There's a lot of different steps to it, and each step has to go perfect,
Right.
or we don't come out with a great product.
What else do you do out here in the shop? Where are we going to go next?
I'll take you over to the computer router where we cut components for doors.
Okay, let's go.
Okay?
This looks like a pretty high-tech machine. What does it do?
This is our computer numeric controlled router, and what it does is it cuts components. Mostly we use this to cut components for our custom entry doors. We make a lot of doors.
Lots and lots of doors. Can I take a look at some of them?
Sure, we've got a couple over here.
Okay, go. Brad, there are so many doors to choose from. I wouldn't know what to pick. Give me an idea of what we have here.
Well, what we've got here, this is a transom that fits a set of match doors that will fit under it.
That
This is mahogany.
Huge.
It's a pretty big unit.
Yes.
We've got some white oak doors, pine doors, and that can either be rusticated or left natural.
Okay.
There is a rusticated door next to it. We can design pretty much anything. We've got computer-assisted designing capabilities, so we can go just as complex as anyone wants.
Brad, and as I said, you do cater to builders, but the general public also can come in here and purchase items as well, right?
Sure, we target professional home builders. That's our focus, but we welcome the general public to come in, look at the products, work with us to design a door or whatever they need.
And you also have a website. What is that?
Our website is www.generalbuilders.com, and we
Okay.
feature some of our doors and moldings on it.
GeneralBuilders.com.
Yes.
Tell everybody where you're located so they can come see you.
We're at 101 North Ann Arbor. That is halfway between Meridian and MacArthur, just north of Reno,
Very easy to find, and your phone number.
at 405-947-7227.
And you don't work on the weekends, Monday through Friday only.
Right, Monday
Okay.
through Friday, 7:30 to 5, or by appointment if someone can't get in at those times.
Now, one final thing I want to show people are some beautiful shutters that you do. Can we go quickly take a look at those?
Sure, I'd be glad to show you some.
Okay. the shutters are beautiful, and they're all custom, right?
They're all custom made to what the customer needs, what size they need.
Do you finish all of them? Are they different finishes? What can people choose from?
There are different styles, different finishes. We can paint them, stain them. They're all sold installed and finished.
They're beautiful, and you just do anything. You design them yourself, don't you?
They are designed for a specific customer's application, exactly.
And so we're about to leave, but tell everybody one more time what your phone number is, how they can get a hold of you.
Our phone number is at 405-947-7227, or they can visit us on the website at www.generalbuilders.com.
I appreciate the tour today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure.
It's been great. And we'll be right back on the Heartbeat of Housing.